In this tutorial, we are gonna do a case study that will illustrate the way Dogharper's very powerful search engine works. Now, what we are gonna try to find in this very densely populated database, you see right here at the lower part of your screen that there are currently 83,708 documents classified in the database. Well, we are going to try to find one specific document I'm looking for, and here are the informations I know about these documents. I know that it was classified under the label, the keyword marketing, and that it pertains to a client, imaginary client, that I'm going to call client X. So it was also classified under the keyword client X. So I'm going to try to make a complex search using both keywords. So first of all, I'm going to access my search panel simply by clicking the search label at the lower left hand side of your screen, and I'm going to perform a full search using the keyword client X, for example. I'm going to start with this one, so I'm going to type the letter C. I'm going to look for the keyword client X from the list. It's the first item. Here I click, I select it. So what do I see? Well, the first thing I see is that my search has yielded incomplete results, and that can be seen because there is a yellow exclamation mark right here. That means that there are actually more results in the database than currently displayed. So I should change that settings. So what do I do? As shown in another tutorial, I'm going to go visit tools, options, and here I'm going to change the maximum number of results displayed, and I'm going to put it to the maximum value of 5,000. Here I am, and now I'm going to perform the same search once more. This time, Dogharper is going to list all the documents that are classified among the 83,707 documents in the database, all the documents that are classified under the keyword client X. Well, here's the number. It's 1,321. All of those results are displayed right here in the grid. But that's an awful lot of documents. So, of course, I remember that there is another keyword, the keyword marketing. So, I say maybe I'm going to be more lucky using the keyword marketing. So I'm going to click clear all, marketing. Here we are. This time, Dogharper is going to list all the documents that have that keyword, and you see that the number is pretty high. It's still 1,015 results. So what I should try to do is combine both keywords and find all the documents which both have the keywords marketing and the keyword client X. For that, I'm going to use the checkbox search only current docs. Here I am. I check the box. I clear all my fields, and here I'm going to type client X once more. Now remember that all the documents that are currently listed in the grid are the documents who have the keyword marketing. As I have checked the box search only current docs, this time Dogharper is going to list all the documents which both have the keywords marketing and client X in their list of keywords. So let's go for it. This time, Dogharper yields 569 results. Well, it's much better, but it's still an awful lot of documents to scan through. So, right now I'm wondering, how is it possible that I still have so many documents which have both keywords? Because I did not remember that there were so many. So, let's go back to my folders. For that, I'm going to click on the label folders right here. So, I'm wondering where in this hierarchy is, for example, the first document selected, where is it classified? To know that, I'm going to use that option over here, show containing folder. Let's check the box and see what happens. What happens is very simple. Dogharper shows in the hierarchy of folders the folder under which, the one with the red color here, the folder under which this document, the first in the list, is classified. Now that I know where it's classified, I can easily understand in the structure where it has been classified, where it's located. Well, I immediately noticed that it has been classified under headers, command docs, 2000 to 2007. And here I understand my problem. I know that the document I'm looking for pertains to client X. That's the first criteria I remember. The second is marketing. But now I remember that it pertains to the period 2008-2009. So what am I going to do? Well, first of all, I'm going to uncheck Show Containing Folder, and I'm going to click right now on that folder, 2008-2009. What do I see? Well, I see 112 results. But those are only the results, the documents, that are directly classified under 2008-2009 folder. I know that my document, the document I'm looking for, is classified somewhere under this period, but I don't know exactly where in the hierarchy of subfolders. So first of all, I expand this folder to have an idea of everything that's classified, but I see that there are not many folders, there are only 3. So what do I do now? Here's what I do. I go back to my search panel. But before doing that, I first have to display all the documents that are classified anywhere under this main 2008-2009 folder. To do that, I simply check the box Include Subfolder Content. So now, the documents that are listed in my grid, the 4,820 results, are all the documents that are located under the folder, anywhere under the folder 2008-2009. And what I'm basically going to do is perform the same search I have already done, but only on those results. So I check that the Search Only Current Docs checkbox has been checked, and on those results, only the 4,820 results, I'm going to perform a first search on the keyword client X. So let's see how many results this search yields, hoping that we are going to be able to narrow down as much as possible the number of results. Well, we still have 557 results, but this time we are going to perform a second search using the keywords that we know, marketing. So I'm going to just simply type M and go for marketing, and this time it's going to be only the documents classified under the period 2008-2009, which have both the keywords client X and marketing. Let's go for it. Well, this time we only have 7 results. 7 results of documents, 7 documents that have been classified under the correct folder and have both keywords marketing and client X. Now I could scan quickly through the results, or I can just remember, fourth thing that I remember my document, that somewhere in the description I had the word memo written. So I'm gonna do again Search Only Current Docs, a search on this document, and what I see is that right now I only have one document which has the memo in its description, the keywords marketing and client X, and if I go back to folders and I say Show Containing Folder, what I see is that that document has been classified under statutes under the folder 2008-2009. Well, here you are, a complex search using Doc Hopper's very powerful search engine.